May mga dagdag na tangke namang dumating para tumulong sa Marawi. At saksi, si Oscar Oida.
Sunod-sunod na ibinaba sa Iligan ang 20 tangke ng Army.
We have additional more than 20 armored vehicles. Ito ay dagdag natin dito sa Mindanao against the terrorist group.
Sabi ng 1st Infantry Division ng Philippine Army, nasa 20 hanggang 30 Mountain na lang ang tinutugis nila ngayon. Lahat armado ng matataas na kalibre ng baril.
Based on the reports, they are running out of bullets. They are going house to house, searching for military-aged males to join them. They're asking for, some are asking for food, some are asking for bullets and ammunition. So basically, if you will translate that, they are very desperate. Their morale is very low.
Pero bentahin ng Maute, nasa strategic position sila.
They are spread, they are occupying vantage positions, they are occupying high-rise buildings, and they are high-powered firearms, they have sniper capability.
Bagamat may 10% pa ng Marawi ang hawak ng mga bandido, makatutulong daw sa pagtugis sa kanila ang impormasyong ibinigay ng 8 sumukong Maute. Mula rito sa Iligan, ako si Oscar Oida, ang inyong saksi.